Heading over to my buddy Rick's place. It's a little thunder. Getting a little storm rolling through right now. So recently Rick made some hot sauce and he gave me a bottle. And by God, if it wasn't the best hot sauce I've had, it's like top tier. So told him next time he made some to let me know. I wanted to shoot some video and see how he does this.
Garlic on there. Actually, oil on it. Why not? And then throw that in the oven, broil it till they get kind of dark, and then we'll get the stuff on the stove ready to boil. Now, here's the part that I'm.
The carrots and habanero go great together.
Yeah, so I was like, huh. And I tried it, and I've just put carrots in it ever since. I'm just gonna strain that. Peaches and pear juice.
You used fresh peaches before?
Usually, yeah, but I didn't see any fresh peaches, so I figured a can of peaches would be. One time I tried roasting the onion, and I'm literally just gonna cut the sugar in half. I always peel off that part out there. Boom. Throw it in the water. That's pretty much what we got going here. I put a splash of vinegar in there. And add some water. And that's pretty much it. And then, because I just tried roasting everything, right? Instead of boiling it. I was like, oh, what if I just roast everything? And then make it. It was the onions overpowered everything. And so I'm like, no, I'll just keep boiling the onions and the carrots and then just roast the peppers and garlic. Yeah, it was just like, it's not that it tasted bad, it was just like, that's all I could taste was onion. It overpowered everything. I mean, I probably could have waited on the peaches, to be honest. I never used canned peaches, so pretty much the only reason I boil it is to get this carrot soft. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and
so pulling those peaches out a little bit early.
toss those in there because I think these carrots are going to take longer to get soft. They smell so good. It's in the blender.
Alright, so we got the peppers are all toasted up. Throwing those in the food processor. We did switch the leftover switch pots on that stuff to a smaller pot so it'd cook a little bit faster.
Hopefully this is hot, man. There's only like 20 habanero.
So this was about a half a pound of habaneros?
Yeah.
And what, probably exactly. Like around a half a pound of sweet peppers?
The sweet peppers were just in a pack. I'm gonna squeeze that garlic. That's why I toast it. It squeezes right out of there.
Oh, okay. How many cloves you thinking?
Maybe 4.
4 cloves?
Dude, I love roasting garlic like that. It just like squeezes.
It's about as easy as it gets.
Oh yeah, it's so good like that.
All right, so everything got done. It's loaded up in the food processor. Got all the carrots and everything from the pot.
And then if it needs more water at this point, now we just add water. We'll just add a little bit of water. Just kind of.
Dude, the smell on this is freaking insane. It smells so good. You ever think about adding like a splash of vinegar?
I could add vinegar.
Just a touch. All right, we're gonna actually add a splash of apple cider vinegar, but you can use any vinegar of your choice.
Yeah, I think this will give it a good...
It'll balance out some of that hotness with a little acidity.
What do you think?
That's probably pretty good.
Yeah.
And try that. You can always add more.
Right, you can't add less.
Yeah.
And the sauce I made the other day, I put a little more vinegar than I would have liked.
Yeah. It was still really good.
Yeah, there we go.
It's looking a little bit more saucy. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's still thick.
It is pretty thick.
Like, look at that. You can see where it dripped off and made a crater.
Wow.
How is it?
That's good.
Yeah?
It bites you, dude. It It hits the back of your throat.
Yeah, no, that's good.
So maybe just a little more water. Then we just gotta add salt.
Salt
That's
at
kind of
the
the hard
end.
part because I've never measured how much salt to add. It's just
All right, so the consistency we've got here is it's thin, but it's still leaving little craters in the sauce from the drips on here, but not nearly to the extent that it was previously.
like paste.
Oh,
Pepper
dude,
paste.
that's pretty good, dude.
Try to save as much of this as we can here. Oh hell yeah! Dude, look at that's like
Oh yeah,
perfect.
that's nice.
Just trying to get it all off of there. Right here, dude, like a strong.
Your cat was chasing her tail like a dog. So now the salt.
Yeah, now we just kind of salt it.
So we got a little bit of pink Himalayan salt here. I mean, salt to your choosing, right?
Yeah, it is just kind
But
of.
salt definitely enhances the flavor.
I'll just kind of sprinkle it across the top and we'll try that.
What are we thinking?
It's hard to tell over all that heat. It's just heat. I feel like my whole face just got hot. I felt my whole, like my forehead and my cheeks just instant like heat.
Here, hook me up.
Either way, how do you want to get it?
Yeah.
I just gave you a good dab.
Oh yeah. All right.
I think it could use more salt.
It could use a little bit more salt.
Mm-hmm. It's surprisingly, I mean, it really can. Like sometimes I feel like I'm adding too much, but it's not.
It's close though. I wouldn't add a whole heck of a lot, but you could add a little bit more and still be good.
And then
Dude, that is really good.
Also, something I noticed is like after we put this in jars, like once it really cools off and it sits for like a day, and you try it tomorrow, it won't be so much habanero, and you'll taste like the other stuff a little more.
Yeah.
Like all of a sudden you'll taste the peaches, and you're like, "What? I didn't taste those yesterday."
Dude, so it's still building,
Yeah.
and it just kind of hit the back of my throat. And it's like the intensity is there. Like at first you're like, oh, okay, that's good, but then it builds, but it's not too much. It's like the perfect amount of heat if you're into that habanero flavor. That is a really good freaking sauce, dude. So this is your buddy's sauce where he just did the peppers and the carrots.
He did the sweet bell peppers and habaneros. And
Okay.
then I was reading the back of a hot sauce bottle one day and just decided to throw carrots in there.
Okay.
And onions and garlic because I put that on everything.
Okay.
And then later peaches or sometimes
That's right. The peach is in there.
pineapple
Dude.
or like I decided to like add some fruit to it. I tried all kinds of different stuff.
Okay, yeah. So basically the main thing is just the peppers, the vinegar, the water, the salt, but then throw your own spin on it, get a nice puree, and I mean, you've got a great sauce. The other one I tried the other day, just habanero, carrot, water, salt.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right, so we got the sauces all jarred up. We've got about 2.5 pints of sauce, a little bit more, including that jar on the left, the bottle. But these are each half-pint jars, so that's what we came out of it with. And amazing stuff right here. All right, future me, as I'm editing this video, I just wanted to mention that I did water process a couple jars of this sauce. It did diminish the flavor just slightly, but not bad at all. Fresh is the way to go, but I'll be honest, I'm not gonna go through over a pint of this sauce in a week or so. You can water process it in a water bath canner, get a good seal. It'll last a lot longer. But this sauce came out super great, absolutely tasty, and just want to say, experiment with it, see what you can come up with, and probably come up with something that tastes a lot better than anything you're gonna pay a lot of money for at the store.